Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I am unboxing new Redmi 13C mobile phone. You can see this. So let's unbox this smartphone. It is open box delivery. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. In front you can see it is written that it has 128 GB and 8 GB RAM. It is made in India, and you can see at the right it is #1 quality smartphone brand, and you can see at the back it is written that it provides 90 Hz of refresh rate, and it has powerful MediaTek Hello G85 enhanced gaming with one GPU. You can see it has 50 megapixel AI triple camera with 8 MP selfie camera. You can see selfie star shine design it has, and you can also see there it in the box it has 18 volt of fast charging support with USB to type C port, and it has a massive 5000 mAh of battery. It has 180 Hz of touch sampling rate, and it has micro card slot 2+1. So let's unbox this. First you have to open this box, and it's a handset. You can see, let's put it aside and see what inside the box. And here you find the Redmi box, and you can see it has manual, a SIM tool. You can see a SIM tool, and it has some guide manuals. You can read it. That kept aside, you can see it has a USB to type C lead. It has 1 meter long, and you can see it provides 18 volt of fast charging. And let's open the phone, and friends, let's unwrap the smartphone. You can see, the design. Friends, you can see it is a star frost white, and it has three colors: stardust black and star shine green, and it is a star frost white. You can see it is shining. It has two cameras. Let's open it and set up. Friends, you can see this MIUI 14. Click on this to start. Select the language English. You can see choose language English. Click on the next option, and here it is choose your region, India. Setting region, and you have to agree this terms and condition and click on next. You have to enter your SIM card, and if you want to not, just click on skip this, and you have to then choose the network. Click on network, and here you have to enter your password like this. Click on connect, and friends, you can see it is connected. Click on next. Getting your phone ready. This may take a few minutes. You have to wait for 5 to 6 seconds, then it will be setup will be completed. And friends, you can see it is asking for copy app and data. If you have data in your SIM card, you can click on copy and press next, and if you don't have, just click on don't copy, and you have to just, it is checking your information to start. Then you have to simply allow these options like this, send users and diagnosis data, and then you have to click on accept, and you can choose your search engine like Google. Click on Google and press next, and you have if you want to set your screen lock, then you can just skip this, click on OK. And friends, you can see it is asking for basic settings. Click on this and agree. And if you want app drawer in it, just click on app drawer, and it is preparing your system. It is Android 14, and it takes just a second. Friends, you can see the setup is complete. You are ready to rock. Just click on this next icon. You can see the setup is completed. Your phone is ready. You can see. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching.